Okay, so now we're looking at the side ports. We've drilled the top and bottom of our cylinder, and we're looking at the ports on the side, these two holes here, as well as the pivot. So that will be a drill and tap in that location. Okay, so again, the same routine as last time. We clean out our vise, make sure there's no debris inside the vise. Clean our parallels again. Position our fixture where the top is facing to the left or the right, it doesn't matter, as long as it's to the side. There we go. Give it a little tweak. Again, this can happen. Have one parallel that's in position, the other one that's moving a little bit. That's okay. It's just the vise is just a little off center. We still have the number 39 drill in for the top and the bottom. We're going to use that for the ports, these two holes here. So again, we move over into position. We come down and align our drill with the hole in the fixture, making sure it enters the hole nice and smoothly. Okay, now we're going to remove the stop from the previous operations. What we're going to do, this is just a little tricky, what we're going to have to do is feel the drill enter the cylinder and then come down into the bore of the cylinder itself, and that's when we stop. We don't want to continue on from there. So there's a little bit of feel on the lever of the milling machine. So you're going to have to feel this out. We're going to use a little bit of coolant again as we did in the top and the bottom ports. And we have the correct speed. So that's coolant. It's essentially the same technique as the top and bottom. We're going to kind of peck away at the hole, feeling when the hole is complete. Penetrates completely through one side of the cylinder. There we go. There. You can actually feel it penetrate into the cylinder, so that's good enough. We switch off, and then we relocate for the second hole. Here it goes. Enters very nicely. Coolant. Drilling operation for the ports.